In this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio from WavePad. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the File tab, top left, and from here, you want to click on Save File, okay? Whenever you do this, you can give it a name, so I'm just going to name it Test Audio. There we go, and I'm going to save it under my downloads, and then in here, you can select the file type as well. So by default, it's going to be WAV, so W-A-V, but of course, you have a bunch of different ones as well over here, like MP3, etc. So I'm just going to save this one as MP3 right now, and I'm going to click on Save, and this is going to basically allow me to do some more things as well. I can set the bitrate over here, I can go and play with other settings, I can preview it, etc., and then click on the Save button, and it's going to start saving your files, and you'll see it's basically been exported to whatever you selected. So I have it here inside my downloads folder now, and yeah, that's essentially how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.